Welcome to Cambridge Institute Nowshera. In this video, I would like to talk about structure of present perfect tense. Before this video, I have taught that a formative structure for the present perfect tense. In this video, I would like to talk about negative structure of present perfect tense. So now let's begin that what we need. If you want to make the statement of present perfect tense, so first of all we need subject. We need a subject. First of all we need a subject. And subject is followed by has or have, not, plus third form of verb, which is also called past participle form of verb. So now we need has or have plus not, and not is followed by third form of verb, which is also called past participle form of verb. Third form of verb. Third form of verb. And verb plus complement. Now if we want to construct the statement of present perfect tense, for negative we need first of all subject plus has or have, and then add not, and then third form of verb plus complement. So as you know that we have 7 subject pronoun, and after 7 subject pronoun we have to use after I and we have to add have. I have. And also that if we talk about we, so we have to add have. These two are called first person pronoun, while you is called second person pronoun. And you is followed by have to. And also that we have next, which is called third person pronoun, like he, she, and also that we have at, and that is called they. Now they is followed by have, while it is followed by has, and she and he both are followed by has. Here we can add simply has. Now if we talk about that, whenever we want to convert the statement from affirmative to negative, so we just need to add not after the have or has. And we can also say that hasn't or haven't. The contraction form we will discuss later on. So we can simply add, that is called not, after here, and also after here, and also here not, and here we also add not here, and here we also add not, and here we also add not here, and here we can simply add not here. Now after not we need third form of verb, and third form of verb is also called past participle form of verb. So now if I say that I have not, or I haven't taught English, so taught is the third form of verb of teach. Taught, I haven't taught English. Then the end we need to add period, which is also called full stop. Now if we talk about that so we haven't spoken English. We haven't spoken English. Now if we talk about you, so you haven't watched TV. You haven't watched TV. And if we talk about that he, so he hasn't cooked the meal. He hasn't cooked the meal. And if we talk about that she hasn't, or she has not washed the clothes. Now if we talk about next one, it hasn't snowed. And خشکی It hasn't snowed and khishti. Haven't is the contraction form of have not. They haven't read a book. Read a book. Read a book. Now, if we just look at these sentence, so these all sentence follow this simple formula. This one is called, these are called as, which is also called subject pronoun, so we can simply write here as. If we talk about these, so these are called to have auxiliary, or simply we call be. That is called to have auxiliary. To have auxiliary or to have helping verb. And this one is called not. This one is called not. So we can simply write here not here. And these all are called past participle form of verb. These all are called past participle form of verb, which is also called third form of verb. And the rest of the sentence is called complement. That is called here complement here. Now, I should just revise today's lectures, that what I have taught. In this video I have just taught that negative structure of present perfect tense. If you want to make the statement of present perfect tense, so you need to follow this formula. You will soon get success. So the first subject has and have, and after that we need to add not, then third form of verb, and then we need that add a complement here. Like I is the plural, after I we place have, after we place have, after you we have placed that have, after he she add we just add has, and after they we add have, and then we just add not, and then we add some past participle form of verb. The first one is called taught. Taught is the past participle form of teach, and next one is spoken is the past participle form of speak, and watched, it is the past participle form of watch. Cooked is the past participle form of cook. Washed is the past participle form of wash, and snowed is the past participle form of snow. And if we talk about that read, so if we want to use in a simple present tense, then read can be pronounced like read. If you want to use is the first form of verb, so we can pronounce read. But if you want to use is the third form of verb, so we can change the pronunciation. We can say that read. Read is the correct pronunciations. And if we talk about that further, so these are called third form of verb, and the rest of it is called complement. So that was the end of this video. Shall I will discuss the interrogative structure of present perfect in the next video.